1965 Chevrolet El Camino here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This car is powered by a Chevy 283 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory AC car. The text did note they did not have the AC kick on or off though. So you're aware of that as we take a look at the front grille, headlight, surrounds, bumper. Has had a repaint to this black and white combination. Red pinstripe highlighting where the two colors meet, and then also some custom pinstriping on the hood. Nice looking paint scheme. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate about that extended warranty protection plan. You can call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. Take a look at those SS wheel covers. Look good on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side here. Take a good look at the panels. Appear to be straight. And paint has a nice shine to it. Interior is red vinyl, bent seat. Does have a removable armrest and console, which is slick. A little more comfortable going down the road. With a stock looking dash. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation. Coming around to the rear, you can see dual exhaust, more of the custom pinstriping. There are some miscellaneous trim pieces in this box that are going to go with it. And there also appears to be a windshield washer pump that would go along with this. And you can consult with your sales associate when you call in or email and you want to get into the nitty-gritty of that also, but I will put it behind the seat so it's included with the car. See, the bed has a spray-in liner to it. Kind of like a Rhino liner, I guess, if you will. Not sure if there's a name brand on this one, but spray-in bed liner. So it looks good back there, nice and fresh. Take a look at the rear chrome, bright work. Good reflection in there. Unique Classic Cars. Take your time looking through the still pictures. There'll be undersides, interior, engine bay. Let's go ahead and look from the rear to the front down the driver's side. There's a few spots where you might have imperfection here or there, maybe a little bit of a touch-up. Not perfect, but you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Good one of those cars for local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Tinker on it, getting a used car or classic car hobby, I should say, without spending a ton of money like it's easy to do. You start looking at some high-end Mopars or Corvettes. This one, have some fun with it. Interior, red vinyl, really free of any major rips, tears, holes. You'll be able to see the carpeting underneath the floor mats in the still pictures. Looks fine. Maybe just a tad bit of wear on the piping, but boy, not much at all. Let's start this up and hear it run. Up just a tad here. I'm going to show you too, it does have the retro sound style radio. That is working. Notice that temp light was on when I started it. Not sure if that's going to go off when it warms up. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. Good sounding car. Listen to this. Let me slip up to the front. I can probably get this hood one-handed here, and let's check out the, you know what, this is going to take me to, let's go ahead, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the hood open, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Here we go. There's a battery disconnect over here for if you're not driving or it sits for a little while. There's that Edelbrock 4-barrel sitting atop the 283. Power steering, power brakes. AC compressor, appears that everything is there. Looks like it's been converted also. Look at the fittings. 134A. Smooth runner, nice tidy engine bay. '65 Chevrolet El Camino. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Call us 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
1965 Chevrolet El Camino. Black on the outside with a silver side stripe and red on the inside. Our fuel gauge is reading 1/4. We have an aftermarket retro sound style radio that does function. Our turn signal indicators also are working. Smooth running El Camino with great exhaust sound. Stays pretty straight, right in the lane. The brakes are working good. El Caminos are always interesting. When you get that muscle car front end, the muscle car feel, and then you have a truck bed. A lot of people are fans. Pretty easy to love, actually. We have warning lights for most of our indicators. Speedometer does appear accurate, as does the fuel gauge. You want to take a look at this smooth running 1965 El Camino at UniqueClassicCars.com.